76. The talent show.
I'm so excited about the talent show.
Yes, me too. I'm going to sing a song.
And I'm going to show some football tricks.
I wonder what Sarah is going to do.
I think she will play the piano.
You're right. I think so too.
She's really good at it.
Yes, I'll do my best at the show to beat her.
77. At the cafeteria.
What do you usually eat at the cafeteria?
Let me think. I like sausages and mashed potatoes.
I really like pasties. I often eat fruit too.
I also like pasta and salad.
And I like rice and I often eat chicken.
Oh, and I love pizza. My favorite is salami.
Yeah, it's delicious.
The sandwiches are nice as well.
You are right. I love the ones with avocado.
78. The new game.
Look. Why are the people waiting?
I don't know.
Perhaps because of a new game?
Could be. Yeah, look there. A new part of a famous game has been released.
Now I see. It must be a great game when so many people are waiting in a queue for it.
You're right. The reviews say it's fantastic.
Why don't we give it a try and buy it too?
Sounds like a plan. Let's do it.
79. On the train.
Hello? Janet?
Hey Tom. I'm on the train. What are you doing at the moment? Are you playing computer?
Yes, I am. I'm playing Manor Lords. It's awesome and a lot of fun. Why are you on the train?
I'm going to visit my grandparents. I haven't seen them in a while.
Sounds good. Do you have anything to do on the train?
Yes, I'm reading a novel. It's so exciting.
What is it about?
It's a love story and I can't stop reading.
80. At home.
What are you doing at the moment?
I'm at home with my little brother Jake.
Are you watching TV?
No, I'm not. I'm listening to music.
Is your brother with you?
No, he isn't with me. He's playing with his toys.
I'm bored and don't know what to do. Can I come over?
Yes, great. Come over.
81. Favorite cookies. What is your favorite dessert?
I love chocolate chip cookies.
Chocolate chip cookies are the best.
Yes, they are soft, chewy, and so tasty.
Add a glass of milk and it's like heaven on earth.
Absolutely. Have you ever tried cookies with white chocolate or with rainbow candy?
No, I haven't, but they sound delicious too.
Let's make some ourselves. I've got several recipes.
Great idea. Let's do it. 82. Daily routine.
When do you get up?
I get up at 6:30 a.m.
When do you have breakfast?
I have breakfast at 7:15 a.m.
When do you go to work?
I go to work at 7:45 a.m.
When do you have lunch?
I have lunch at 12 o'clock.
When do you finish work?
I finish work at 3 p.m.
When do you get home?
I get home at 3:30 p.m. Sometimes later because of the traffic.
When do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 7 p.m.
Hey, have you heard about Mr. K's new ebook called 100 Real-Life English Conversations for Beginners?
No, what is it?
It has 100 beginner dialogues you can listen to, read, and speak along with. It's great for learning English.
That sounds really useful. Where can I get it?
You can get it on Mr. K's online shop at www.mrk.de.
Thanks, I'll check it out.
83. Surfing.
What is your favorite activity during the summer season?
I love surfing.
Isn't it dangerous?
Yes, it can be dangerous, but when you know what you are doing, it's fine. I'm focused all the time.
I see. Is it difficult?
At the beginning it can be very difficult.
How long did it take you to learn surfing?
I think it took me 7 days to do it right.
Perhaps I should give it a try.
That's a great idea. Surfing is the best sport in the world.
84. The supermarket.
Did you see my tablet?
It's on the table in the kitchen.
You're right. Thanks.
Where are you going?
To the supermarket.
Again?
Yes, I forgot something.
Do you want me to go with you?
Sure, if you can.
Good. I'll get the car keys. Where are they?
They're on the table in the kitchen.
85, a date gone wrong.
Hello?
Tara? Is that you?
Yes. Who is this?
It's Andy.
Andy?
What do you mean? Andy Stevens, of course.
Oh, Andy, I'm sorry.
Yes, we had a date last night. Where were you? I waited for 40 minutes.
I'm sorry, Andy. I couldn't come.
What do you mean? Why not?
I was busy packing my stuff for my trip.
Why didn't you call me?
I somehow lost your phone number.
Okay, so I guess I will lose your number too. 86, ordering fast food.
Hi, I'll have a cheeseburger meal, please.
Sure thing. Regular or large?
Regular, please. And can I have a Sprite with that?
Absolutely. Anything else for you?
No, that's it. Thank you.
All right, 1 cheeseburger meal with a Sprite. Will that be for here or to go?
To go, please.
Perfect. Your total comes to $7.50.
Here you are.
Thank you. Your order will be ready shortly.
87, at a bakery.
Good morning. Do you have any croissants left?
Yes, we do. Would you like a plain one or one with chocolate filling?
I'll take one with chocolate, please. And do you have any cinnamon rolls left?
We sure do. How many would you like?
I'll take 2, please.
Great choice. Anything else for you today?
Maybe a loaf of your bread as well.
All right, 1 chocolate croissant, 2 cinnamon rolls, and a loaf. Will that be all?
Yes, that's everything.
Your total comes to $12.50.
Here you are.
Thank you. Your order will be ready in just a few minutes.
88, London Underground.
Hi there, I need a single ticket to Covent Garden, please.
Of course. Will that be a one-way ticket or a return?
Just a one-way ticket, please.
Sure thing. Any preference for the time of travel?
No, not really. Just whenever the next train is.
All right, I'll issue you a standard anytime single ticket to Covent Garden. That will be £2.40. Thank you. Here's your ticket. The next train to Covent Garden is departing in 5 minutes from platform 3.
Great, thank you.
89, homework 2.
Hello, Ms. Smith. I forgot to bring my homework today.
No problem. What was the assignment?
It was the essay about London.
All right. Do you have it on your computer or did you leave it at home?
I left it at home. I'm really sorry.
It's okay. Just make sure to bring it tomorrow, okay?
Okay, thank you, Ms. Smith.
90, concert tickets. Hi, I'd like to reserve 2 tickets for the concert on Saturday, please.
Sure thing. 2 tickets, together. Got it. What's your name?
John Deckard.
Great, Mr. Deckard. Your tickets for Saturday's concert are reserved. That'll be £80. How would you like to pay?
By card, please.
All right, I just need your card details, please. Thank you, Mr. Deckard. Your payment is confirmed. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly. Enjoy the concert.
91, Brighton.
Hey, have you ever been to Brighton?
Yeah, I went last summer. It was fantastic.
Really? What did you do there?
Well, we spent a lot of time on the beach, of course. The pier was so much fun too.
Sounds like a blast. Did you visit any other attractions?
Yeah, we walked around the lanes and did some shopping, and we also checked out the Royal Pavilion. It's absolutely stunning.
Nice. How about the food?
Oh, the food was great. We had fish and chips on the beach.
Sounds like a perfect trip. I'll definitely have to go sometime.
92, the Cutty Sark.
Have you ever been to see the Cutty Sark in Greenwich?
Yeah, I went last week. It was fascinating.
What did you think of it?
It's incredible. The ship is so well preserved and so interesting.
That sounds great. What did you see inside?
Inside, they have exhibitions about the history of the ship and its voyages. You can even go below deck and see the living quarters.
Wow, that must have been amazing. Did you learn anything new?
Absolutely. I learned a lot about the challenges faced by sailors back then.
It sounds like a must visit. I'll have to go sometime.
93 Ireland.
Were you in Ireland last summer?
Yes, I went there in August. It was absolutely stunning.
What did you enjoy the most about it?
The landscapes were breathtaking. We visited the cliffs of Moher and drove along the Ring of Kerry.
That sounds amazing. Did you visit any cities?
Yeah, we spent some time in Dublin. The city has so much history and culture.
Did you try any Irish food?
Of course, we had some delicious Irish stew and fish and chips.
It sounds like you had an incredible trip.
Absolutely. Ireland is such a beautiful and welcoming country.
94 The new caretaker.
Have you met the new caretaker yet?
Yeah, I talked to him yesterday. Seems like a nice guy.
That's good to hear. Did he say anything about his background?
Yeah, he mentioned that he used to work at a school as a caretaker before this.
Ah, so he's got experience then.
Yes, and he seems really organized.
That's great. We need someone like him.
Definitely. And he's friendly too. I think he'll fit in well here. 95 A cruise ship trip.
Hey, have you heard about Sarah's trip on the cruise ship?
Yeah, I talked to her yesterday. She had a blast.
That's awesome. What did she do on the cruise?
Oh, she ate in the restaurants, swam in the pool, and checked out some cities.
Sounds like a dream vacation. Did she mention any special moments?
She said the onboard entertainment was fantastic. They had amazing live shows.
Wow, that must have been so much fun. How about the food?
She said the restaurants were amazing.
I think I might have to book a cruise for my next vacation.
96 At the doctor's.
Hi, doctor. I've been feeling really sick lately.
I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I have a fever, cough, and I've been feeling really tired.
Okay, let's take a look. Have you had any other symptoms?
My throat has been sore, and I've had a runny nose too.
All right, it sounds like you might have a viral infection. I'll prescribe some medication. Make sure to rest, to drink a lot, and avoid contact with others.
Thank you, doctor. I'll follow your advice.
97 The tree house.
Have you seen the new tree house in the backyard?
Yeah, it looks amazing.
How did the kids build it?
I'm not sure, but it looks really sturdy. It even has a little balcony.
That's so cool. I bet the kids love it.
Oh, they do. They have played in it all day.
I wish I had a tree house when I was a kid.
Me too. It's like a dream come true.
98 At the market.
Hi, do you have any fresh strawberries?
Yes, we do. They just came in this morning. How many would you like?
I'll take £2, please. Do you have any ripe tomatoes?
Of course. We have some lovely tomatoes right here. How many do you need?
I'll take 3, please. And do you have any basil?
Yes, we have fresh basil. Would you like a bunch?
Yes, please. I'll take some baby spinach too.
Sure thing. Anything else for you today?
That's it, thank you.
All right, your total comes to $12.50. Thank you. Here are your items. Have a great day.
99 The final. Did you watch the football final game?
Yeah, it was incredible.
Who was playing?
It was the championship match between Manchester United and Manchester City.
Wow, that must have been intense. Who won?
City won in the end, scoring the winning goal in extra time.
That's amazing. How was the atmosphere during the game?
It was electric. The stadium was packed.
I wish I could have been there. Did our star player perform well?
Absolutely. Our star player scored a hat-trick.
That's fantastic news. Sounds like it was a match to remember. 100. A smartphone game.
Have you played that new smartphone game everyone's talking about?
Yeah, it's called Space Adventure. Have you tried it?
No, not yet. What's it about?
It's a game in space where you control a spaceship and navigate through different levels. You battle enemies and collect power-ups.
That sounds cool. Is it easy to play?
Yeah, the controls are pretty simple.
I'll have to download it and give it a try. Is it free?
Yes, it's free to download.
Awesome. I'll check it out later. Thanks for the recommendation.